Hi guys. As you can see, I've got a different background now. I've been rearranging the apartment or my room. Yeah, I made 3 separate arrangements before actually before I just didn't want to bother with doing it one more time. So I'm going to keep it like this for a little while. Yesterday I was going to be doing laundry and my washing machine broke. So I had to open it up and take a look, and it looks like the motor's gone or something, so that I'll have to get that fixed, or at least get the spare parts and fix it myself, or get my dad to do it. I don't know. On Taylor's video from yesterday, he mentioned that he missed last week's video because of a death in the family. There's not going to be a punishment for that. We can't punish for unavoidable things. That's just not going to happen. So just letting you know there's not going to be a punishment for that. This last week I've been getting more healthy and or at least trying to. So I've been taking my diet and trying to fix that and doing a lot more exercise. Along with footy practices, I've started to go out every other day, running and eating healthy. So, Taylor, I see your Doritos taco and I raise you an apple. Delicious. Not really sure who's winning.